Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia titanium espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, that's all we did. This machine also needs a grinder, that's the reason basically it's kind of disassembled. I'm still testing it out. This is the older pump and the crack that it had was basically right here. You can see that was basically just spraying water all over the system, and it was just making a mess inside. So we're gonna test it out with one shot of espresso. We're gonna just use pre-ground because we definitely don't cannot use the grinder. So let me just select it as pre-ground coffee, throw it all in there, and then one small coffee with pre-ground. Infusion, perfusion. I might have used a very fine grind specifically for this one. It's kind of hard to dial in what kind of coffee the machine needs. So as you can see, it's very fine enough. That's why it's barely dripping. But we're still getting really good crema, and I'm very surprised I was able to keep up with that grind as well. So let's just manually stop it or show nice. Let it stop. Let's just let it stop automatically. Probably it's programmed for more than 2 ounces, even though it's just show coffee. So this is just 2 ounces. Great crema, and actually not the best water flow, but this excellent crema is able to really keep up pretty well. So yeah, there you have it. Gaggia Academia working once again. So just to test the hot water, here it is. Steam, not hot water, sorry. As you can see, working perfectly fine. No leaks or anything inside the machine, anything like that. No water coming out of the water pump. There you have it, Gaggia Titanium working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.